Hello students, my name is Amrit Visa and in this video we are going to learn about plants. आपने एक चीज नोटिस की होगी that whenever you want to talk about a particular plant, we usually call it a tree or we end up calling it a plant. But have you guys ever heard about these two terms? And what about these? What exactly are shrubs, herbs, creepers, and climbers? Take a look at these images. The image which you see here is of the giant sequoia, and they are one of the tallest organisms on our planet. So, should we call it a tree or should we call it a herb? What about a shrub? What about this image? आप सबने banana के fruit और leaves तो देखे ही होंगे. But again, the question is this banana a tree or a herb or a shrub? Well, we can go on and on about this. You can go outside and start looking at all the amazing greenery around you and ask yourself the same question. Now, in order to understand whether a particular plant is a tree or a shrub or a creeper, first we will have to understand the different parts of a plant. Yes, so your typical structure of a plant looks something like this. It's made up of different structures such as your root, your stem, the leaf, the flower, and each part of a plant performs a different function. They provide oxygen along with food and shelter to animals and human beings. Plants also have medicinal values and are used to cure several ailments and diseases. Along with that, they maintain the ecological balance of Earth and its atmosphere. So let's get into the detail of this structure. The root is the most important part of the plant that grows underground. The root absorbs water and minerals from the soil, regulate the growth of the plant, and stores food material. Now, let's move upwards towards the stem. The stem is considered to be the ascending part of the axis that bears the branches, the leaves, and the flowers, along with the fruits. It also bears the different regions called nodes and internodes, and they are the portion between the two nodes. Initially, the stems are green in color when they are young and they turn woody or brown in color after a period of certain time. It transports water and minerals, stores food, and provides protection. Moving on, we reach to the leaves. The leaf is a lateral structure found on the stem. The leaf is considered to be the most important part for the process of photosynthesis. There are two types of leaves, that is simple and compound leaf. A leaf consists of three main parts, namely the leaf base, the petiole, and the lamina. Now that we know the different parts of a plant, let's understand what is the difference between a herb, a shrub, and a tree. Now, herbs are plants that have soft, green, and perishable stems. They are small plants with delicate stems. Their stems are green in color, soft, tender in nature. They are short in size. Herbs' lifespan is very short. They can only survive for 1 or 2 seasons. Some common herbs are rice, mint, coriander, etc. Moving over to shrubs, they are plants with woody stems with branches of almost equal size arising from the stem immediately above the soil. Shrubs are smaller than trees. These are usually around 3 meters tall. Shrubs grow bushy as the branches are grown near the ground level. They can grow in all types of soil. Shrubs are seasonal and grow vigorously in a sunny environment. Examples of shrub जो शायद आपने देखे हो are lemon, jasmine, China rose, etc. Now, talking about trees, they are tall, big plants and have one hard woody stem called a trunk. Trees bear woody branches, leaves, and twigs at some distance above the ground. Trees have single strong woody stems. The multiple branches are grown above the ground at a certain distance. They live for longer years. Trees have the ability to grow tall and increase in size in all dimensions. Example of trees are mango, neem, banyan, etc. So now I am pretty sure कि आपको समझ में आ गया होगा the difference between a tree, a herb and a shrub. We will learn more about the different parts of a plant, their function in our in-class section. Till then, goodbye and take care.